Welcome to Can You Belize It Day Trace. Not sure if we're gonna do snorkeling this morning or make our way to our next place a little early. Yo, I get to sit next to the pilot again because I'm small.
And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine.
Waterfall will overshot.
A little sunshine, cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I
Terrible news.
No red Gatorade.
Wesley and I just checked into Jade Jungle Resort. We're the only guests at the entire resort. Welcome to Belize's 10-second room tour. Bed 1, bed 2, Wesley, toilet, shower, bed.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the